Hey there, here's how to pair the AirPod 4s with an Android phone or tablet. Let's start with the AirPods. We flip the lid and you'll notice a green or amber light depending on your battery strength. We tap twice just beneath that light and the light turns white, and this means these AirPods are now discoverable by Bluetooth. So let's now go to the Android device and go to Settings just here. On the left hand side we want Connections, and just over on the right we have Bluetooth. Let's press on Bluetooth and it says off, so let's just toggle that on. The AirPods are still discoverable and the Android device has found it. So let's just click it. It says pairing. We have pair at the bottom. And just beneath AirPods B it says connected for calls and audio, and we have the volume control with a B for Bluetooth on it. Now if you look at the AirPods where it's listed, there's a little settings button. Let's press that. And here on this particular device it's ready to receive and use calls and audio via Bluetooth on these AirPods. We also have an option at the bottom to rename the device. If I want to change the name I can do so. I can also disconnect or I can unpair altogether. Let's just unpair these. And that's how you use your AirPods with an Android device. I hope it's helped. Please give it a thumbs up, it really helps me out. Thanks a lot for watching the video and I wish you a great day ahead.